Then here I'm going to show you how to use the add skills feature in Manus AI. So watch till the end to know everything. To create a skills, what you do is just click on this plus icon and click on new skills here. You can see many skills here. Now here, to create your own skills, what you do is just first click on this manage skills here. Now make sure all this toggle is on here. Depending on what you want to use the skills to do, here you can see how I set up my own. You can see many skills as here. But to create your own skills, what you do now, after putting this toggle on, depending on the skills you want to create here, like this, to auto trigger it, you can switch it off and then use it manually. And here, go back here, and here type here like this. In order to get the prompt and the MD file to create the skills, before creating the skills, you must know these three things: requesting the skills, development of the skills, and then installation of the skills. Here I'll use this prompt for example, which you can try it your own, or you can just edit it and shape it your own. Let me type this prompt here, and here you can see what I type here: create a skill for managing my Spotify store. You can change it to anything here. And here, after typing it, what you do now here is to send it like this to create the prompt for the MD file, for the skills MD here. Now here, after creating the skills, which is requesting it here, after creating it, now here you can see here it says add to my skills, or you can download it by clicking here. Here I will click on add to my skills in order to develop it, which is the second stage. Now here, click on add to my skills. And here you can see the skills have been updated. Now here you can also download it here through the downloading process and download it to your device, the MD file, which is memory data. And here, to use the skills you create here, what you do is just go back by clicking on this three line icon on the top side here. Now click on new tags here. Now here, what you do now is to click on this plus icon here and click on new skills here. Now here, search for the skills you created. Here you can see the skills here, Spotify manager. Now here, click on it. Now here also you can manage and edit. You can see here, you can type anything, it will generate it based on the skills you just selected here. You can see I just selected one skills here. Now here also you can also edit the skills by clicking on this plus icon here again, and then click on this arrow icon here, and then click on manage skills here. Now here you can see the skills you just created or requested here. Now here, what to do now is just click on it here, and here you can see how the skills is. Now let me switch to desktop mode here. Now here is the skills you just created here. Now here you can see the skills action here. You can see the core workflow. You can see how it will work out. You can see the order fulfillment. You can see based on the Spotify managing skills, which I just created here. Here is the skills guideline. Now here you can also see the AI stock monitor, which I just created. Now here, let me test this AI stock monitor. Let me click on it like this. Let me know the latest AI stock right now. Let me send it by clicking this arrow icon here. You can see the result based on the skills I just added to it here. Now also you can also trigger all skills in order to make it more graphic, all the skills here by clicking on new tags again. What you do now is to click this plus icon, click on this arrow icon beside the skill use skills. Now here, click on the skills you want to use like this. Let me use this one, and then click on it again like this, and then add another one to use multi skills. And then here I will click on analysis. Here I will also click on this one, web similar analysis. Now here, ask what you want to ask like this. And here, send it by clicking this upper icon here, and then wait for the result. Now also you can create a website for it by clicking on this create a website. After generating it, you can see the AI stock here, the code depending on the skills I selected. Now here you can see how it looks when you combine three skills. I combined three skills in order to create the analysis and the application analysis. Here I combined three skills in order to create this workflow. Here you can see the AI stock website here. You can see the website by clicking on it like this. You can see how it create the website and also analyze AI stock here. I'm also monitor AI stock in real time here in the website using all the skills I add up here. And here you can see view more. Now here you can see the AI stock it is tracking here. Now here you can see how the stock is going. You can see how the app is monitoring it. You can see the changes, the losses and everything. So if you want to create a perfect skill, make sure you set up the skills perfectly. Like if you want to create a workflow skills, make sure you set up the skills perfectly. Now if you want to refresh the page and start a new skills, what you do is just click on this new task here, this icon here, to start up a new chat and create a new skills here. You can see here to start up a new chat and create a new skills here. Now here you can also set up the skills automatically or manage it by clicking on this plus icon and then click on use skills here. Now here click on manage skills here. Anyone you disable here won't be used automatically. Here you can see anyone that is disabled, you disable the toggle here, won't be used automatically. It will only be used manually. So if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. And also try it and tell me how it works. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. Now see you on the next video. Check out the playlist on the screen now to know how to use Manus AI. See you there and have a great day.